Hello, everyone, and welcome to Relaxing English Zone. In today's video, we are going to follow an interesting story about a man visiting London for the very first time. You will hear real-life English conversations in simple and natural English. Our main character arrives at the airport, takes a taxi, checks into a hotel, asks for directions, and finally enjoys a meal at a restaurant. Each situation will help you learn how English is used in everyday life. Now, before we start, I have a few questions for you. Do you think the man will feel nervous or confident when he arrives in London? What do you think is the first problem he will face at the airport? And if you were in London for the first time, what place would you visit first? Think about your answers while watching. Also, listen carefully to the conversations. Try to repeat some sentences out loud. This will help you improve your speaking and listening skills. And now, I want to hear from you. After watching the video, please answer in the comments. Which episode did you like the most? And what did you learn from it? Your answers help you practice English, so don't be shy. Just write something simple. If you enjoy this type of English learning story, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Relaxing English Zone, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson. All right, let's begin our journey in London. Enjoy the video.
Excuse me, where is the exit?
Go straight ahead, then turn left. You will see the main exit doors.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is this your first time in London?
Yes, it is. I just arrived today.
Oh, welcome to London. How was your flight?
It was long, but everything was okay. I feel a little tired.
That's normal after a long flight. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Canada. It's a big change for me.
Yes, London is very busy, but it's a great city.
I'm excited, but also a little nervous.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. People here are friendly and helpful.
I hope so. I need to go to the city center. What is the best way?
You have a few options. You can take a taxi, a bus, or the train.
Which one is the fastest?
The train is usually the fastest, especially during traffic hours.
That sounds good. Is it easy to find?
Yes, just follow the signs that say train or underground.
Okay, great. Do I need to buy a ticket first?
Yes, you can buy a ticket at the machine or at the counter.
All right. And how long does it take to reach the city?
About 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the train you take.
That's perfect. Thank you for your help.
No problem at all. Enjoy your stay in London.
Thank you. I'm really looking forward to it.
Hello, are you available?
Yes, of course. Where would you like to go?
I need to go to my hotel near Oxford Street.
No problem. Do you have the exact address?
Yes, here it is on my phone.
Great, that helps. Hop in, please.
Thank you. This is my first time in London.
Really? Welcome. You picked a great city to visit.
Thanks. Everything looks so different from my country.
Yes, London is very unique. You'll see many interesting places here.
I'm excited to explore, but I don't know where to start.
Don't worry. There are many famous spots. Big Ben, the London Eye, museums, and parks.
That sounds amazing. Is Oxford Street a good area?
Oh yes, it's one of the busiest shopping streets in London.
Nice. Is it far from the airport?
Not too far, but traffic can be heavy sometimes.
I see. How long will it take to get there?
Around 30 to 40 minutes, depending on traffic.
That's okay. I just want to relax after my flight.
I understand. Long flights can be very tiring.
Yes, I didn't sleep much on the plane.
Maybe you can rest a bit when you arrive at your hotel.
Yes, that's my plan. Then I will go out and explore.
Good idea. The city is more enjoyable when you feel fresh.
By the way, do people usually take taxis here?
Yes, but many people also use the underground. It's faster and cheaper.
I'll try that tomorrow.
Great. It's easy once you understand the map.
Thank you for your help and information.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
I'm really starting to like London already.
That's nice to hear.
That sounds amazing. Is Oxford Street a good area?
Oh yes, it's one of the busiest shopping streets in London.
Nice. Is it far from the airport?
Not too far, but traffic can be heavy sometimes.
I see. How long will it take to get there?
Around 30 to 40 minutes, depending on traffic.
That's okay. I just want to relax after my flight.
I understand. Long flights can be very tiring.
Yes, I didn't sleep much on the plane.
Maybe you can rest a bit when you arrive at your hotel.
Yes, that's my plan. Then I will go out and explore.
Good idea. The city is more enjoyable when you feel fresh.
By the way, do people usually take taxis here?
Yes, but many people also use the underground. It's faster and cheaper.
I'll try that tomorrow.
Great. It's easy once you understand the map.
Thank you for your help and information.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
I'm really starting to like London already.
That's nice to hear. You're going to have a great time here.
Hello, I have a reservation.
Welcome. Sure. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Daniel Brown.
Let me check. Yes, I see your booking here.
Great. Can I check in now?
Of course. Your room is ready.
That's good to hear. I'm very tired after my flight.
I understand. Long trips can be exhausting.
Yes, I just want to rest for a while.
No problem. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Everything looks good.
Do I need to pay now or later?
You can pay now or at checkout. It's your choice.
I'll pay now.
All right. You can use your card here.
Done. Thank you.
Perfect. Here is your room key.
Thanks. What floor is my room on?
You're on the 3rd floor, room 305.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, just over there on your right.
Great. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning.
Nice. Is Wi-Fi included?
Yes, it's free. The password is on your key card.
That's helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
One more question. Are there good places to visit nearby?
Yes, you're close to many shops and restaurants. Oxford Street is just a few minutes away.
Perfect. I'll explore later today.
That sounds like a great plan.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay.
I will. Thank you very much. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm trying to find Big Ben.
Oh, that's a famous place. It's not too far from here.
Really? That's great. How can I get there?
You have a few options. You can walk, take a bus, or use the underground.
Which one do you recommend?
If you want to save time, take the underground.
Okay. Where is the nearest station?
It's just around the corner, next to the big supermarket.
I think I saw it earlier.
Yes, it's easy to find. Just follow this street and turn right.
All right. And which line should I take?
Take the Jubilee line and get off at Westminster Station.
Westminster Station?
Yes, when you exit the station, you'll see Big Ben right in front of you.
Wow, that sounds simple.
It is. Just make sure you check the signs inside the station.
Do I need to buy a ticket first?
Yes, you can buy one at the machine or use a contactless card.
I have a card, so that's easy.
Perfect. That will save you time.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Are you visiting London for the first time?
Yes, I arrived yesterday.
Nice. You picked a great place to visit.
I'm really enjoying it so far.
That's good to hear. Don't forget to take pictures.
I won't. Thanks again.
Anytime. Have a great day.
You too.
Hello, do you have a table for one?
Yes, of course. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here is your table.
This place looks nice.
Thank you. Here is the menu.
Thanks. What do you recommend?
Our fish and chips is very popular.
I've heard about that. I'd like to try it.
Great choice. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, just a glass of water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
No problem. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Here is your water. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the fish and chips.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you. This is my first time trying British food.
Really? I hope you enjoy it.
I'm sure I will. Everything smells great.
That's good to hear. Here is your food. Enjoy your meal.
Wow, it looks delicious. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. That was really good.
I'm glad you liked it.
Yes, it was amazing. Can I have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Perfect. Thank you for everything.
You're very welcome. Have a great evening.
Thank you. I really enjoyed my first day in London.
Thank you for watching Relaxing English Zone. I hope you enjoyed this London story and learned something useful today. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy English conversations. Don't forget to comment your answers. I read them all. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.